Okay, second grade teachers, we're going to talk a few minutes about funny numbers. If you did not get a chance to see Greg Tang this summer or previously, he talks about funny numbers, and those make such a difference when you start subtracting with regrouping. So I would begin this, and you're going to have to model it if you haven't been doing these yet, because they need to understand first off what it is. So I'm using linking cubes, and you'll see why in a minute. So I have 45. Well, one of your TEKs talks about decomposing numbers in more than one way. So we've decomposed, well, that would help. Apparently I had 43, but now we have 45. Okay, 45. So how many tens did I have? 4 tens, which is 40, and I have 5 units, is 45. Well, what can I do to decompose 45 in a different way? Well, this is where he talks about shifting a 10. I'm just going to shift this 10 over here. Well, how many do I have now? I have 10, 20, 30. I have 30. And how many do I have over here? A 10 and 5. So I have 15. And you're going to want to show them how this number are both make 45. So you could have them build. Well, build me 30 and 15 and tell them to join it. Well, if I build 30 and I build 15 and I join those, what do I have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, I have 45. And you can keep going and keep going where they would see if I have 30, 15, you could have them shift again. And I would have 20 what? Well, I just lost a cube. 20, 25. And you're going to need to have them build it to prove it to them. Let them build it so they can see that actually still makes 45. This is a great thing to do when you have as a quick little warm up. If if you have 3 extra minutes, put up a number and do a funny number. Once they're good at doing them with just 2 digits, start with 3 digits. Because I promise you, it will save you when it is time for you to start subtracting. So here we'd have, let me see if you can see, 253. And I would just start with shifting a 10. You could have them build it. Okay, I could have my 200. Whoops, lost some of my cubes. 53. Okay, I could build it. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to talk about shifting a 10. Okay, well, if I shift a 10, I'm still going to have 200, but then I'm going to have 4 tens, which is 40, and then I'm going to, oops, sorry, can't see that. A little new setup, it's more difficult. So I shift the 10, I have 240 and 13. And then again, you're going to have them build it and prove it to them that that still makes 253. And then once they get really good at that, start shifting from the hundreds. So that's funny numbers. And I'm going to pause so we can talk about it.